Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. First, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I did. I didn't do the Thanksgiving for Dollar General. I didn't do all of that. But I knew I was going to do a 5 off of 25 because I had some items that I wanted to pick up. But I had a great Thanksgiving. Every year is great to me, even though if it's bad or if it's good, Thanksgiving is still a great Thanksgiving for me because for one, I woke up, I'm breathing, I'm happy, and the 9 yards. Okay, so today I am bringing you the 5 off of 25 Saturday. Yes, the 5 off of 25 Saturday. So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, y'all. So the first thing I got was this powdered sugar. I wanted to get the brown sugar, but they was all out, honey, because you know for the holidays, they own that brown sugar. So I didn't get to didn't get the brown sugar, so I seen the powdered sugar. And I remember one time I did need the powdered sugar for, I think I was like baking something and I didn't have any, and I don't use this all the time, and I'm not really a baker, but I do bake sometimes when I'm feeling it. Okay, when I'm in that feeling of baking, I would do it. And I'm thinking about me and my granddaughter doing some Christmas cookies, so I had to get me some little powdered sugar, so just in case I needed some. All right, so the powdered sugar, it is, let's see. How much was that powdered sugar? $2.35. There is a 15 cents off digital coupon that is attaching. Y'all remember back in, and I'm going to say it was probably like last year or something, but back in the day, this powdered sugar was really less, was like $1 that we getting it for. And like now, like the sugar, this powdered sugar, the brown sugar, the regular sugar, and the flour, it's like you getting it, now for like only 30 cents off or 50 cents off. Usually time it was like $1 and something off. But that was back in the day, y'all. These times prices have rise. I mean, they are really going up. So I didn't even do the sugar this time like I always do. So it is, to me, it is what it is. You just got to keep going. I know it's kind of frustrating for some people, and I feel for some people, with the seniors, the kids, even the ones that don't even have no kids and they're just trying to make it on their own. I feel for everyone, even myself. Thank the Lord for all of that. So let's go ahead and get to the next item, is the Dawn Power Wash. Now I got 2 of these of the Dawn Power Wash, and y'all know how I feel about Dawn Power Wash. I am 100% for this Dawn Power Wash. It is $5. And there is a digital coupon that is attached, and it's up to you if you want to use this digital coupon to get 2 of these, because they are, when you buy one, the coupon actually is you buy the Cascade packs, and then you get this Dawn for actually a penny, because the coupon is $4.99. But if you purchase both of these, the coupon comes off for one. So, got one, and I paid a penny for the other one because Dollar General does not give you nothing free. Not like that. The next thing are these warmers, and I love these warmers because they actually go with sometimes when I buy the refills. So I got the warmers. The warmers, they are, let's see, $2.35. There is 2 coupons that is attaching, okay? There's a 3 off of 2. There's a buy one, get one free. Now, if you're using this along with the refills and you're trying to get the refills too, you want to actually do this one first. You want to have them to scan these 2 first, so the 3 off of 2 can come off which I had to purchase 2, and the 3 off of 2 did come off of those. Okay. Then the next thing I got was the Purex packs. The Purex packs, they are $3.75. There is $1.50 off digital coupon that is attached. The next thing are these Airwick refills. And that's what I was talking about when I was talking about the warmers. Then you want to take these 2 and scan these 2. Now, the buy one, get one free is attaching to this one, and also is attaching to, I don't know if it's attaching to the warmers or not, but I can't remember. Anyway, I bought 2 of these. It was buy one, get one free. So this was the second 2 that I had them to scan last. And I did get, let me see how much came off of these. Because the buy one, get one free, $5.75 came off of these. Because they are $5.75. Yeah, they are $5.75. And the $5.75 came off of one because they was buy one, get one free. All right. So after she rung up everything and I put in my number, my subtotal was $11.71. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. And my 5 off of 25 did come off. So there you go. There's the Power Wash. There's the Purex. There's the 2 Airwick warmers. There is the powdered sugar. And then there's the twin oil refills for the Airwick. And you see the store discount is actually the 5 off of 25. And then there's my subtotal, $11.71. Everybody's taxes is different. And then look how much I saved, $20.39. You can't beat that, y'all. You know, and I'm getting ready to say this, and I hate to say this because everybody loves to do the $5, the $5 to where they get be less than $5 or so. The way these coupons are going on, that $5 and less, you can do it, but you gotta make sure that your store has the items. That's the thing. If the store has the items, you probably can do a $5 and less subtotal. But now, these days, y'all, it is $10 and less, okay? So it's $10 and less, but my subtotal was $11.71, and I was okay with that. So I didn't get a 5 off of 25 at the end of my receipt, so hopefully we get a digital, or you go on in the store maybe Monday. If you go into the store and buy something, maybe a 5 off of 25, if you need a paper, we'll print. So this right here is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25 Saturday. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's Shop.